Hi, and a very warm welcome to our gentle yoga practice. My name is Gaia, and this is the first time in the season that we are doing yoga outside, which is just lovely. We'll begin in tabletop pose. So bring your wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips, and just move through some cat-cows, dropping the belly, gaze lifts up on the inhale, and on the exhale, round the spine. Again, drop the belly on the inhale. And on the exhale, round your spine. Let's do 3 more in your own rhythm. Now come to your neutral spine and sit down on your heels. I'm going to do a toe stretch. Bring your weight forward, tuck the toes behind you. You probably have to adjust the pinkies by hand. And if this really is too much, you can always lean forward a bit. However, if this is fine, I'm just going to do some wrist circles. So form fists and just gently circle your wrists in one direction. And then the other. Give your hands a little shake. Bring forward your body weight and just paddle out the feet. And press back into a downward facing dog. You can paddle out the feet here, bending into one knee and extending the other, just making any movements that feel nice to you. Then find some stillness in your downward facing dog. Lift the right leg up to the sky. Bend at the knee, open up the hip. Really press into your hands here. You're trying to make the knee the highest point. And then square off your hips and step the leg in between your hands. You can lower the left knee here. Keep your toes tucked or untucked. Reach up with your arms, sinking the hips down nice and low. Take one more breath here. And then bring your palms to your mat on the inside of your right foot. Heel toe the foot to the side of your mat. Open up the foot, so roll it onto the side, and with your right hand, press into your right knee. Look up, opening through the chest, moving deeper into the hips. Two more breaths here. Release. Step back into your downward facing dog. Again, you can paddle out the feet. And then find some stillness before reaching with your left leg up to the sky, bending at the knee, opening the hip, pressing into your palms. trying to make your knee the highest point. One more breath. Square off your hips, step the leg in between your hands. Low lunge, drop the back knee. And lift your arms up, lengthening through your back, melting the hips down towards the earth. Two more breaths. Lower your arms down, palms come to the inside of your left foot. Heel toe the foot to the edge of your mat. Roll onto the edge of the foot. Press with your left hand into the left knee. Look up, opening the hip, sinking lower here. One more breath. Release. Step back, downward facing dog. And either stay in your downward dog or take a flow. Inhale to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Cobra or upward facing dog. And back to downward facing dog. Take a breath here in your down dog. And then just bring your knees to the mat. Make sure that your hips are over your knees. Walk your arms out into a puppy stretch, bringing the forehead to the mat. 3 breaths here. Walk your arms in. Big toes together, knees apart. Child's pose for 5 breaths. With the help of your hands, lift yourself up. Just extend the legs out in front of you. Zip up your legs tight, flex the feet, palms come under the shoulders, Dandasana, staff pose. Really reaching through the crown of your head, straight spine, shoulders are down and back. You're also engaging through the legs, really activating the whole body here. One more breath and release. Bend your right knee and bring your foot to the inside of your left thigh. Lift your arms up on the inhale and on the exhale, fold forward. You can round here, make it more passive. Stay for 3 breaths. Gently roll yourself up. Place the right foot on top of the left knee. Bring your arms back for support and then bend into that left knee, coming into your seated pigeon. You can bring the foot as close in as it feels good to you. Just make sure that you're still creating length through your spine, openness through your chest. Breathe nice and deep. Release. Extend the left leg in front of you. Let the right join in. Sweep up with your arms. And on the exhale, forward fold. Gently roll yourself back up. Take a second here. And then bend into the left knee and bring the left foot to the inside of your right thigh. Reach up with your arms on the inhale. And on the exhale, fold down. Again, it's perfectly fine if you're passively folding here, allowing your spine to naturally curve. Take 2 more breaths. And gently roll yourself up. Bring the left leg over the right. Bend into the right knee. Your seated pigeon on the other side. Keep length through your back. Breathing nice and deep. One more breath here. And release. Come to lie down on your back. Your knees are bent. Feet just about reaching your fingers if you extend your arms down by your side. Keep your feet hip distance apart. And we're going to press into our feet, engage our glutes, and lift ourselves up into a bridge. Make sure to really hug through your inner thighs here. And if you want to, you can also connect your arms beneath you. Maybe curling the shoulders underneath, giving yourself some more lift here. One more breath, see if you can reach even higher. And then very slowly, very gently, roll yourself back down. Extend your left leg long, bring the right leg in. Hug it close to your chest. And then guide it over to your left into a twist. We're trying to keep both shoulder blades on the ground here. Your right arm can be extended long or out in a T shape. Just one more breath. And come back to center. Switch legs. This time the left comes in close to your chest. You can rock a bit side to side. And then guide the left leg over into a twist. Opening your torso to the left as the legs move over to the right. And come back. Extend both legs long, moving into Shavasana. Claim as much space as it feels good. Make sure that the back of your neck is nice and long. And just settle here into your Shavasana. Breathing deep into your belly. Really following with your attention the path of your breath. You can remain in Shavasana for longer if that suits you. But if you're ready to come out, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. You can take a nice stretch from your fingertips to your toes. And then just roll onto one side and press yourself up with the help of your hands. Come take a seat on your mat. Bring your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. And let's close our practice with gratitude. First, thank yourself for coming onto your mat today, for taking the time to do this practice, for treating yourself so wonderfully with kindness and nourishment. Thank you so much for practicing with me in this windy day. Thank you.